everyone, it is Victoria Charles and today is prom day. I have like no time right now and I'm just gonna get ready along as we go. Now I'm gonna start my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Ebony. My brows took forever and yeah, I'm like so late. Oh my god. I am now gonna like blend that out with like blend the concealer out because I conceal around my brows. My little technique. Now I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer on my eyelids just to use as a base. I'm just gonna blend this with my beauty blender. For eyeshadow, I don't know what I want to do. I think, okay, I have three options. Have Tarte Lit and Bloom, ABH Soft Glam, and this is like my favorite Tarte's Pro. I don't know which one I want to go. If I want to just do like a warm brown look, I don't want to use any oranges or any reds. In Tarte's Pro, I'm going to go in with Classic. It's just a shade like that. With my Y16 brush, just this flat shader brush. Also from the Tarte's Pro palette, I'm going to go with Bold. And just put that basically where I put the first shade. I'm just kind of blending it however everywhere else. No special technique, just in circle or motions. So now we're done with this. I'm gonna go in with Burnt Orange. Yeah, Burnt Orange from the Soft Glam palette brush. Now from the Soft Glam palette, I'm gonna take Rustic with a Y17 brush. And I'm gonna like properly blend that out back with my, what is this? Y16. I don't know, this isn't as dark as I want it to be. I'm gonna go in with Cyrus Umber and hope for the best. Back with the same Y17 brush. Yeah, this is much better. I'm gonna take the Y16 and just blend it all out so it looks seamless. Yeah, my Y19 brush by Morphe. I am just going to take Edge. I'm gonna take Smoked from the Tarte's Pro palette. Just put it in my outer corners. My lashes are kind of fanned out, so I just want to like keep that effect with my eyeshadow. And back with my Y16 brush and just blend it all out a little more seamlessly. And since I will be doing a cut crease today, I just want to make sure that my crease is really dark. I will take this Y20 bullet crease brush and I'm just gonna go in with Noir from the Soft Glam palette, this black shade right here. And I'm gonna just put that in my crease. Like, I'm gonna start from the outer corner, dot it in. I'm gonna like blend that right above my crease a little slowly. And I'm gonna go back in with that Y19 brush and just blend it all up a bit more. Soft hands is key. And actually, I normally don't do this, but I just want to make this look a little bit more darker. So I'm going to take Cyrus Umber with the Y17 brush again. I'm just going to go over that black a little bit. Above it. Just to like darken this up a bit. I'm going to take this concealer brush by e.l.f. Looks like this. And I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and cut my crease. I'm going back with the Y19 brush, not adding any more product on it, and just dab it in with the concealer, and now I'm going to take my Tarte's Pro palette, and I'm just going to take one of the ABH brushes. Just take Indie. Actually, no, I'm going to go Classic mixed with Indie. I'm going to take Rustic from ABH. Just blend that in. Ombre effect. And I'm just going to take Cyrus Umber. The last little section. So now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners in the color Midnight Cowboy. And try my hardest not to mess this up. Okay, so now I really have to hurry up because, yeah, I just made my eyebrows a little bit more thin. And now I need to prime. I'm like super late now, so yeah, I need to hurry up. So I'm gonna blend out my concealer a bit more on top of my eyebrows because I need them a little more. I made my eyebrows a little bit more thin. Then I'm gonna take the Benefit Professional and prime my face. Next, I'm gonna take my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Natural Radiant Foundation, and I'm just gonna blend out my beauty blender again. And a cream contour for my ABH cream contour kit. So I want my contour stay on overnight. I'm just gonna apply it with my Y12 brush. I'm gonna blend it out with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Now I look crazy only because I'm only contoured, but I'm gonna highlight with, oh, I've got my products. I'm gonna cry. Where is my shape tape? Oh, okay, found it. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight with my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going with my beauty blender, just blending that out. Hurry up. Now that I'm all blended out, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and bake my face. So while this is baking, I'm gonna line my eyes with the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, so I just put the eyeliner on, and I'm gonna go on with the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. And next, I'm gonna go on with my Lily Lashes in the style Mink Nose, the So Extra versions. They're like a little bit longer and a little bit more thicker. And yeah, I'm gonna put that on. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe off this bake. Just gonna use, what is this, my white one. And next, I'm gonna take this ABH bronzer in the shade Mahogany. I'm gonna use my Y5 brush to blend her out. I'm just gonna clean that bronzer up with some powder. And just gonna let that sit for a bit. Okay. So next, I'm gonna blush. So I'm going to take my NARS Narcissist blush palette. I mentioned this in a haul. I'm gonna take a fan brush. I don't usually use a fan brush at all, but Lipstick Nick recommended it for blush. I'm just gonna take all three of these and just mix them together. So it looks way more natural if you use a fan brush for your blush. And oh my gosh, I almost forgot, but my nose contour. I'm gonna take the Y15 brush. First, I'm just gonna take some powder in the center of my nose. Take that ABH bronzer and just wipe away that pink. I'm gonna line my lips. And I'm gonna take Biscotti, the Steel All Day lipstick, in the color Biscotti. Put that on my lips. Almost done. I'm just gonna take the Soft Glam palette one more time, and I'm gonna put Cyrus Umber in my crease with this e.l.f. crease brush. Under eye brush. Now I'm just gonna take that mascara under my eyes. A dot Stila eyeliner in between my lashes just to make it seem like my under eyes are longer lashes and more filled. Before I lock everything in, I'm just going to take my Urban Decay Quick Fix just to hydrate my face before I put highlighter on. Okay. In my last makeup tutorial, I made a mistake. I used like this huge brush to highlight, and I realized I don't like that look anymore, so I'm going to stop. I'm going to go in with this smaller one. I'm going to take Butterscotch again. It's my Golden Fave by ABH, their Sugar Glow Kit. I know I keep saying I'm almost done, but I'm gonna go on with Rainy in the Soft Glam palette. Just put that in my inner corners. Just blend her a little bit. And now I'm gonna lock it in. Urban Decay All Nighter. And yeah, that is it for the makeup, and I'm so late, so I'm gonna get started on my hair. And yeah, thank you. Hey guys, so it is prom day, and okay, it is prom day. Hello everyone, and I just got my makeup done. I did it myself. I have a video on that. Probably link below or something. Just depends whichever goes first. I have my escape bag. Not really an escape bag, you know what I mean? Oh. And yeah, I don't have anything on my neck right now because we're gonna go to Target and get a necklace because I don't like the necklace I have on right now. So yeah.